Hi, everybody. We should be all doing social distance as much as we can. That means staying away from people. But let's imagine you're at home and someone in your house is suspected COVID or possibly even dealing with some minor illness that doesn't require hospitalization. How can you be around them and assist in their care? Well, masks and other protective devices are useful. Right now, they have to be reserved for health professionals that are dealing with the emergency. So how are you going to protect yourself? Well, I've come up with a little video on how to make a mask that is probably somewhat helpful. It certainly wouldn't be medical grade, but it's going to help you cover yourself, cover your eyes, and so please follow this tutorial and hopefully you can enjoy it. Thank you.
Start with a highest filtration filter that you can get. For example, the 1900 filtration level is reported to have small virus capture.
Use a box knife to cut the filter and the wire out of its casing. Save the wire for use later as a way of adapting the mask over the bridge of your nose. With the wire removed, use scissors to cut out the cloth. Then, with the pleats flattened, measure a distance of about 11 to 12 inches. The width should be about 10 inches, but it may vary on the size of your face. Place a string about halfway on the mask, and the mask will then fold. This will become the top half of your mask. But before folding, we're going to build the wire bridge. Cut the wire so that you end up with a piece that's about 2 by 4 inches, and we'll fold that in half for additional strength. Take a length of duct tape and place it over the string and over the wire so that you're placing them both in place, and seal that tightly. Cut the residual duct tape, being careful not to cut the string. Carefully fold the wire and the mask over itself so that the cloth is on the outside peripheral area. This will now be the top of your mask. Make sure that your strings are coming about the top, that they're not folded somewhere else. Place a long length of string and duct tape along the bottom or border of part of the mask, and then you'll fold this over to form the bottom rim so that it looks like this. Once again, trim the excess duct tape, being careful not to cut your string. Place the side of the mask about halfway over a vertical piece of duct tape and bunch the pleats together. That's going to provide you with some extension for the mask. Completed, the mask should look like this, where we have a side tape that's on both sides, bottom run another side like the other, and this is without tape because that is built in with the wire inside the mask. Put a bend on the mask so that it can adapt to your nose. Tie the mask behind above your ears and around your neck. Make sure that it's tight against your jawline. And then for the top area, you should actually seal by wearing protective eyewear, something like a ski mask. For maximum protection, wear ski goggles. Make sure that they're very tightly sealed against the bridge. Wear a light windbreaker or riding jacket. Have that zipped up as tight as you can against your collar. And wear a shower cap or some kind of headgear. Good luck, stay safe. Also, I would like to mention the caveats. This mask has not been tested. There's no certainty that it can block viruses. Certainly, the fit would not be completely the same as a medically fitted mask. Whether the particles themselves within the mask are a problem with long-term use, for example, glass particles could affect lung health. It's very difficult to say, but these are unprecedented times, and I think it's better than just wrapping a scarf around your face. So best of luck, and keep in mind that this is not medically recognized or advised.